Due to the lift on non-U.S. travel, the Biden administration expects that airports nationwide will be very crowded, which means that people will be in close proximity to one another. But is that a good idea, as states like Louisiana are finally starting to see a decrease in their COVID-19 cases? During the summer, Louisiana was #1 on the CDC's list for the state with the highest COVID case count. And now the CDC says that Louisiana is among the lowest.
We're finally going down in COVID cases.
We are heading in the right direction.
But could we be heading in the wrong direction, as travel restrictions for fully vaccinated air travelers from 33 countries and land borders between Mexico and Canada have been lifted?
I think it's a good idea because the world has to open up soon and then get this over with, and also lifting the restrictions on travel would encourage more people to get the vaccination.
Some people disagree.
I would say it's a bad idea because COVID has finally gone down in Louisiana, and we had one of the highest cases of COVID, so I don't think it's a good idea right now.
The number of people hospitalized in the state has dropped by 54%. Hospital beds, once being occupied by over 3,000 patients, is now just under 230. Residents like Trey Dotrieve are torn. He's not sure if the new travel restrictions being lifted is good or bad.
Our count is coming down right now, and if people are vaccinated, I think it's okay, because I know they can still spread it, even if they are vaccinated. So maybe not, but I don't know. I haven't given it much thought.
The original restrictions put in place in early 2020 barred most non-U.S. citizens who within the last 14 days had been in any of the 33 countries, the 26 Schengen nations in Europe without border controls, China, India, South Africa, Iran, Brazil, Britain, and Ireland. These new travel restrictions will also require airlines to take notes of travelers who may have come into contact with COVID-19 pathogens or variants. Live in Lafayette, I'm Princess Jeanne Steverson Lowry, News 15.